video, I'm going to show you guys how to make 2 mug chocolate chip blondies. This recipe is super easy, single serving, and it only takes about 5 to 10 minutes. This is an easy after school snack if you kids are like hungry when you're done with like your virtual school. So let's get started. So what you guys are going to need is you're going to need a mug, but I'm making 2 mugs and I'm going to make 2 servings. You're going to need some butter or oil, that's the substitute, some salt, vanilla extract, a half cup of milk, usually a quarter cup, but I'm doing 2 of them. You're going to need about like 1 to 2 teaspoons of baking powder. You're going to need about half to a third cup of flour, and also you're going to need about a 4th to an 8th cup of brown sugar, and you're going to need some about probably a 4th cup of chocolate chips, or you could use any kind of add-ons you'd like, or you can leave it out. First, what we're going to do is we're going to put our butter and our oil into this. So I put it on my first cup. I'm going to put it in my second one. And then you're going to microwave it for about 15 to 30 seconds. See you then. So I already warmed my butter for 20 seconds and it looks like this. So now I'm going to put my wet ingredients. I'm going to put my sugar, some sugar, and then we're just going to put some vanilla extract, not too much. So I put my vanilla extract, and now I'm going to put my 4th cup of milk in each. Okay, and now I'm just going to mix it together. How could you smell it? Okay, so I finished mixing, and now I'm going to put my dry ingredients. So I'm going to put, so first I'm going to put my baking powder, like I said before, about 1 to 2 teaspoons of that. You don't want too much or else it's not going to taste that good, and it's going to overflow. And then I'm going to put my flour. Okay, so you don't want too much flour because you want it to be like a batter. You don't want it to turn into like this kind of, you don't want it to be like a dough like very thick. You want it thin, but not too thin, like injera dough, injera batter. You want it like very, like a batter, like a cake batter. So I put my flour in, and now I'm going to mix it together. So I put my flour in, and now I'm going to mix it all together. It's looking pretty good. Ready to try it. And when you mix it and you want more flour, you can always add more flour. And I'm just going to take it out because that's done. And now I'm just going to do it on my other one. This is amazing. This is an awesome recipe. You can do this like with any kind of and now I mix these 2 together and it looks so good. This is what you want, like this kind of batter. And now you're just gonna put some sprinkles a sprinkle of salt, and then I'm just gonna mix it together. And then I'm done, and now I'm going to put my chocolate chips, the last and not least ingredient. Like I told you before, you guys can use any other type of add-on you would like white chocolate or sprinkles or anything you want. But you can always leave it out if you don't want it. or you're like have a diet or something like that. And this is how it's supposed to look like. It needs like to be like well into this, and you're just gonna mix it, and it looks just like this. And I'm just gonna do the same thing with the other one. And it's looking very, very good. It's supposed to look like this. It's supposed to look like silk, and it looks so good. So now I'm going to put it in both of them in the microwave for about like 2 to 3 minutes until it's when you put a stick in and take it out and it's dry. See you then. In my microwave, both of them in. And now I'm just gonna put it for about 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So I put it in for about 2 minutes and 30 seconds, and now I'm going to start. Okay, so it's ready and out. Let's check. And it is out clean. So before I dig in, I have a special guest to show you guys. She's gonna be taste testing my food with me. So it is Pizza! Hi everyone. Okay, so now we're going to taste test our food. So Pizza, dig in. Very soft. Let me taste too. Let's check if I did a good job. This tastes very, very good. Watching this awesome video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share with all of your friends and family, and click on the notification bell below so you don't miss any of our awesome new videos. And also, you guys can comment down below what you want us to make next. And don't just watch this video, make it, zip it out to iTunes, see it, ciao, bye, I love you guys. And don't forget, tomorrow at 12 p.m., me and my sister are going to hold our third bake-off. Don't forget to watch it. Bye.